look at notes. Chicken.
You use blocks or something.
Acha. हाँ. हाँ.
While you were in service, they thought you prepared the second one.
Okay. Already serving the room. Chicken.
Time management, answer sheet, how do you revise the chicken? They would complete answers. Chicken. You can talk about the presentation also, points, paragraph, or diagrams. Chicken.
What is the writing visually done?
Writing is
Done.
So, it's not the end. You can interrupt me and ask further. So, just a bit about myself. I did engineering from IIT. Then I worked in corporate for 1 year. Then I did MBA from IIM. Then I worked in corporate for 2-3 years. That time I thought that I should write symbols. So, in my first attempt, I got to an interview. In my second attempt, I got through. I got 24 rank. I got repeat at it. My hometown is MP. And like many people, I also started, writing exam because I wanted to do my IAS. So I wrote again next year. I got 500 and something there. I got custom, so I didn't learn. And then I stopped writing. And last year I wrote again, and I got it. So first of all, I'm not sure after second attempt or second. When I started writing, this was not a name that should write 4 or 5 times. And there should not be anybody's name. Like, I would advise everybody that never think that, this attempt is kind of preliminary attempt, then I will be more serious in the next attempt. That should not be your approach. Your approach should be, this with good rank in first attempt. I was working all the time when I wrote exam. I never like doing it anyway. I came and I could know, but I never did language. First of all, why did I choose option as history? So I'm from engineering background, so ideally I should not have taken history. So anybody like who has similar background, this will result in language. Why did I take history was because history is an option which I think better static. Even if they try to twist it and find out new areas, there's not much to find. Second is a kind of safe option. You won't score very high, but you won't score very low. And thirdly, like in subjects like PubMed and geography and maybe psycho or philosophy, doing the coaching does give you an advantage. History obviously it does give advantage, but there's not much difference. So like in the first time, without any question also I got very good marks. Without any question. So this is the reason I chose history. So now how did I prepare history? So like how many of you are history optional or are planning for history optional? Okay. So I can tell you in later also, but in history like there are 4 areas: ancient India, medieval India, modern and world. This is relevant for most of the people now because in GS now they are asking history, in a very large. So it applies to every option in history. Read one book only, but read it thoroughly. There is no point of going towards this. So in my first attempt I had human class notes and I put those notes. This time I took Kalyan. Ancient India, there is very thin book D.N. Shah. This is a yellow cover book. And I would recommend all of you should read it, even those who have GS. It's like 100 D.N. Shah. It's 120 page book and it is covered in early Vedic, later Vedic and Harappan and Maurya Gupta and this Bhutan age, very, very simply and very nicely. And it like gives socio-economic explanation. It is what is called, nowadays history is not like what was national policy or what was, blood and iron policy. It's more about socio-economic factors. So even everybody I would recommend you should read D.N. Shah's Ancient India book. Medieval I refer to Satish Chandra and modern I refer to D.N. Bandyopadhyay, Classical Partition. That's a very nice book. Once again I would recommend everybody who is GS, like everybody who is writing civils, D.N. Bandyopadhyay's Classical Partition is a very nice book and it's relevant to your GS mains also. It's a black covered book. For world history, there is this book I'm talking about. Like initially, till last time I used to refer my own notes. So basically, in world history there are not good authors in India. So if you can find good things on net, so if there's any topic like First World War or Balkanization of Europe or UNHCR, just search on net, go to Wikipedia or any internet sources, you will find and then take your own notes.
Normally, You didn't find normal to.
Yeah, this I referred to. Yeah, this I referred to. I did refer it. One thing is in history, especially in new pattern, like you write lots of questions. I think that is very important. That applies to GL also. So see, just think about this like this. Like those people who have written at least one mains or two mains, they will understand this better. That maybe first time you have not covered syllabus entirely. So when you go and write your mains exam, what will happen is that you won't know answer to all the questions in a proper way. So you attempt 60% questions in a very nice way, 20% you won't have any clue, and 20% in a half-hearted attempt. So you won't actually feel time pressure. But in your second attempt, or if you are prepared very good at first time, and you know all the questions, and if you don't, you are not able to keep, your pace, then it might end up that it might happen that you will end up, not attempting some questions. So one is you are not knowing and you don't attempt, or you just know a little and you don't attempt. That's not called not attempt. Not attempting is you know it, but because of paucity of time, you are not able to attempt. And trust me, it hurts a lot. And finally, when your marks will come, you will think that if I would have written that question. So I would strongly advise to all of you, like everybody, even those who have written it once or twice or thrice, please do writing practice. Now writing practice doesn't mean that my advice would be don't write like full length paper every day. Nobody can do that. So like in 3 hours they're asking you like 25 questions. So you just divide it and think in 15 minutes or in 30 minutes how many questions one should be able to write. 15 minutes maybe 2 questions, 30 minutes maybe 4 questions. And every day write those 2 questions, 4 questions. Either take a question bank of last 10 years and just flip page randomly and take a question, or whatever question you are going to bring a question material and take question. Write 2 questions, that won't be much effort on your side. And you could just evaluate yourself, go to your notes, go to your model answer, and see that whether you have covered all the points or not. Or if you have a room partner or somebody, a study buddy, he can evaluate. And especially like for example, you have read a topic. 2-3 days you have read a topic. Now you feel like you have read it and like you are kind of confident enough. Then just go to like last questions asked from that topic. So for history, I have made a complete soft copy of myself. Now you can get marked also. Copy-paste questions. Like Mughal dynasty questions, Sultanate questions. So for example, we have read like say South Indian kingdoms, like Vijayanagara. So just go to that part. So there will be some 8 or 10 questions asked last 10 or 20 years. So just pick any questions out of that randomly and write them. That will give you good practice. And in history, math is also
सर लास्ट में क्वेश्चन है ना, अगर हम महात्मा गांधी को मूवी से हटा दें तो हमारा जो स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का जो हमारा जो अचीवमेंट कैसा होगा।